Welcome back to The Value Investor. In this video today, we will be looking at a particular Chinese company and its stock. We will be talking about the China National Pharmaceutical Group Corporation, which is commonly referred to as Sinopharm. You probably heard about this name because they produced a vaccine against COVID. It would be a smart move to buy the stock of this company right now. The reason why is because they achieved a great deal of success with their vaccine. But this is not the only reason why their stock will grow. They are a company that operates in the vast market of China, and the fact that they are in the most populous country in the world will contribute to their growth. It is also reasonable to expect that they will expand all over the world. One of the reasons why this is a great company for value investors is because their balance sheets are in order. Over the years, they've had stable profits, so we can say that their internal discipline is great. They are not a company that throws money around. They also pay out a dividend of 4%, and their PE ratio is 9.5, which means that in the period of 9.5 years, you would get the money that you used to buy the stock. The best thing you could do is to hold on to the stock for a long time because it will see a great deal of growth. But if you do plan to sell in a short term, do not do it until it grows by 30%. If you remember, in our previous video we mentioned that we will have a fictional $10,000 and that we will invest by using that money. And we will invest 15% of our capital in this stock. So we will use $1,500. And the price of the stock today is $3.45. Do keep in mind that you need to be patient with this stock. Maybe it will see fast growth in a short span of time, or maybe you will have to wait a little longer. So do not invest money that you need. Sinopharm is a business that is doing well, and we can reasonably expect that the price of its stock will reflect this in the future.